Hello, everyone. So, for this discussion, I am playing the part of Todd Marks. I'm a third year teacher. I teach fifth grade math. Being in my third year, I am no longer being supported by the mentorship program due to the recent budget cuts. We have cut out the district, the school has cut out the third year um, support for beginning teachers. The support is now only being given to the first and second year teachers. So overall, I feel that my students are not grasping the subject that we are going over in math class, and that I have attempted to install to practice things that I've learned in college, different strategies, different techniques. My students still are still not grasping it. So I've gone over the data, I've correlated things, I've tried to use different techniques just to get my students more engaged so they understand the concepts so they're able to show growth. So in the hallway, I saw my former mentor, Miss Sarah Wellington, and I just asked her for her opinion, and I was just dumbfounded. I was really caught off guard by with what Miss Wellington stated. She stated that it may not, to paraphrase it, that it may not be the students and it may be the teaching, and I mean it may need to look at my instructional strategies. Um, and not blame the students. That did not resonate well with me because I know that I'm a good teacher and I know that I'm really trying to reach my students and I'm really attempting to do things to engage them in the classroom. And having the support for the first year and second year by Miss Wellington, and then all of a sudden feeling kind of left out and not supported by her really negatively affected my mindset and my behavior toward her, my overall feeling towards her. Unfortunately, being still in my third year, I am regularly still being observed. And Miss Wellington is scheduled to do my next observation, and I am very nervous to be observed by Miss Wellington in fear of any retaliation by our falling out that we did have just recently. I did speak with Miss Maxwell about the concerns. Maxwell um, did state that she feels that Miss Wellington will not hold any grudges. So we shall see. Hopefully, we can resolve this situation in a professional manner. That way, we can come up with possible solutions to engage our students and move them forward into the future. Thank you.